My 2-minute conviction this week is your team is generally made up of hunters and farmers. And don't confuse the two, and don't think one is better than the other. It took me years to work this out. Hunters are the people who you might instinctively think of as the leaders. They are chasing down every opportunity. They are super hungry. They are cold calling your customers. They're coming up with new ideas to innovate your business. The hunter is ready for action. But the farmer, who is often a little more softly spoken and a lot more relational, they're not interested in always finding new customers. They're interested in nurturing the ones they've got. They are quite content to just work the opportunity that's in front of them, to play the long game, to eventually reap what they sow. There's a contentedness about them. And so often I can confuse the farmer for not being somebody of leadership quality, for not having that get up and go. But the truth is, hunters and farmers are both providers. They are both important influences within your team culture. And it's great to have the balance. And so when I started to realize that we're all wired a little differently and built for different contributions, it enabled me to not just celebrate the hunter and commiserate and almost reprimand the farmer, but to encourage both of them to bring their best contribution to team life. And so my 2-minute conviction is this week, try and identify those distinctives in the members of your team, hunters and farmers. Allow both to flourish in what they're good at, in what they love, and enjoy the benefits. Have a great week.